In this video, we are going to learn bimetallic thermometer, working of construction and working of bimetallic thermometer. Now, thermometer is a device which is used to measure temperature, and bimetallic thermometer means the thermometer which is made up of two different metals. So, in simple construction, we can see this metal 1 and metal 2. These two strips of two different metals is welded together. One end is kept as a free end for a movement. This end is free to move and this end is fixed. And when pointer, in simple construction, when pointer attached to this deflection pointer attached to this free end, we can form our bimetallic thermometer. Here we can see these two different strips, metal A and metal B, and pointer is attached to this free end which is moving over this calibrated scale. From this scale we can directly measure applied temperature. Now let us take one example. Now this bimetallic thermometer operates on two principles. First principle is the metal has a property of expansion when subjected to external temperature. That is, when external temperature applied to metal, this metal gets expand. And also this expansivity, that is, expansivity means amount of expansion of this metal is different for different metal. This expansivity means change in length per unit change in temperature. This expansivity also called as expansion coefficient of metal. This expansion coefficient of metal is different for different metal. That is, some metal get expand more, some metals get expand less. Now let us take one example. Metal A is made up of nickel and metal B is made up of iron. Now this iron has low thermal coefficient of expansion. That is, when subjected to temperature, the iron gets expand less, and this nickel has high thermal coefficient of expansion. That is, when subjected to temperature, this nickel gets expand more. Now when we applied temperature, or if this bimetallic thermometer is subjected to external temperature, then what happens? This strip, bimetallic strip, get bends in the direction of metal which has low expansion coefficient. In this example, we have taken iron. Iron has low expansion coefficient compared to nickel. So this strip gets moved towards direction of iron. So at this free end we have attached pointer. This pointer also moved is over this calibrated scale. As we increase heat, this strip gets bent in the direction of iron, and from this scale we can directly calculate temperature. Now this displacement of this pointer also depends on thickness of this metal strip and length of this metal strip. If thickness of this metal strip is more, then displacement is less, and if the length is more, then displacement is more. So to increase sensitivity of this bimetallic thermometer, we must increase length of this strip. To increase length, we have used helical shape thermometer or spiral shape thermometer. In helical shape thermometer, this is our helical shape, and at this free end we have attached pointer which is free to move over this calibrated scale. Similarly, in spiral type of thermometer also our length of strip is very large. So helical and spiral shape thermometer are more sensitive compared to our single strip thermometer. Also, bimetallic thermometer has disadvantage of range of temperature is limited, which is ranges from -40 degree to 320 degree, and this bimetallic thermometer used in the application where sensitivity and accuracy minimum, low sensitivity or low accuracy required. That means the bimetallic thermometer are not highly sensitive or not highly accurate. So this is our working of bimetallic thermometer.